Changing seasons bring changing styles, and this kind of beautiful style may just be what you need for a change. So, with simply styling techniques, this can be made into a wavy bob with a loose texture or a sleek, smooth curve. This cut you can see looks best like when styled, even if it's a simple touch-ups. And one thing about it is that one thing about the style is that take a good look on it. It's the haircut that is always on trend. So you can try this cut even with shaved side for a fresh style. So when considering those haircuts, hair texture and density are extremely important. So always ask your hairstylist if the cut really works well with your hair texture, because you can see how the haircut typically needs styling to always look their best. So this is also another good hairstyle, because if you can manage a styling routine, you can also try this beautiful haircut, because using some hot tools and styling aids would be helpful, especially when it comes to style like this. And this style can be used with creative placement for this haircut. So let me just let you guys see this other style, and let me know your mind and how you feel about this haircut, because sometimes it's what you ask me and I reply makes me know the kind of hairstyle to bring in my next video. So let me just let you guys have the size. Let me know your mind on how you feel. Your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
I think I might go up to you and play you off. I get the mic, go what the